Hi everyone, and welcome back to Next Content. In this video, we are going to walk through how to clean install Windows 11 version 25H2. I'll show you step by step how to create a bootable USB drive and then how to perform a clean installation of Windows 11 25H2 on your computer. So let's get started. First, we need the Windows 11 Media Creation tool, which you can download directly from the official Microsoft website. Once you're on the page, scroll down to create Windows 11 installation media, and click Download Now. After the tool is downloaded, open it, and when Windows asks for permission, click Yes. The setup will prepare a few things. Accept the license terms, leave the default language and edition, and click Next. Choose USB flash drive, then click Next again. Warning important, everything on the USB drive will be erased, so make sure to back up any files you need. Select your USB flash drive, click Next, and the tool will start downloading Windows 11 and creating your bootable USB. This process can take a while. Once it's done, you'll see a message that says, "Your USB flash drive is ready." Click Finish. Now, insert the USB flash drive into the computer where you want to install Windows 11 25H2. Restart the computer, and press the boot menu key for your motherboard. For example, it could be F2, F8, F12, Delete, or Escape. If you're unsure, you can quickly Google the boot key for your specific motherboard brand. Boot from the USB, and when prompted, press any key. You'll then see the Windows setup screen. Choose your language and keyboard layout, click Next, and then click Install Now. Since this is a clean installation, all files, apps, and settings will be removed. When asked for a product key, click I don't have a product key. Select Windows 11 Pro Edition, click Next, and accept the license terms. Now comes the disk selection. Delete existing partitions if you want a full clean install, then choose the unallocated space, and click Next. The installation will begin. Your PC will restart several times. After that, you enter the out-of-box experience, OOBE, setup. Select your region and keyboard layout, then give your PC a name. Choose Setup for personal use, and sign in with your Microsoft account. You can also confirm your login with your phone instead of typing your password. Next, set up a PIN code. Then, customize privacy settings as you prefer. For example, you may want to turn off tailored experiences, typing data, and location tracking. Finally, skip optional setups like linking your phone, Microsoft 365, or OneDrive if you don't need them right away. After a few minutes, Windows will finish setting things up, and you arrive at the desktop. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Windows 11 25H2. That's all for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Next Content for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.